Doing science is a hobby. It's great being able to come to work and do your hobby every day. My name is Thi Hoang Duong Nguyen, and I'm a group leader at the MRC Laboratory of Molecular Biology. My lab studies a region of our DNA called telomeres, and these are at the very ends of our DNA. The ends of DNA is linear, and this is highly problematic for the machine that replicates the DNA. So because of this, our telomere gets shortened because the replication machine cannot copy the very ends of the chromosomes. I like to use an analogy. If you think of the plastic tips at the end of your shoelace, that is the telomeres for your DNA. And imagine if you lose the shoelace tips, your shoelace will fray. It's the same thing that would happen to your DNA if you lose the telomeres. In the past few years, we have been focusing on molecule called telomerase. This molecule is very important for maintaining the length of our chromosome ends, and this function has been implicated in cancer and aging. Up to 90% of cancers use this as a way to continue dividing. On the other hand, there are patients that have mutations on this molecule that leads to premature aging syndromes, and what we have been contributing to the field is to visualize this molecule in three-dimensional in molecular details. We use the cryo-electron microscopy to take many images of this molecule in many different orientations. We then compute the 3D model. One of our major discovery when we solved the structure was that we mapped the disease mutation. We found a hotspot of disease mutation. So knowing how this molecule look like give us an insights into how we can design drugs targeting this molecule in the future. When you make the discovery, your team are the first people to know about this, so that's always exciting, yeah. You can't wait to come in, and then it's almost like you scan and you sit at the computer and see, you see the image appearing. It's for me, it's you can't trade that, yeah. It's a great honor to be named the Blavatnik Awards UK Laureate. It's great to be recognized for the science that we do, and it's a testament for all the hard work done not just by me but by everyone in the lab, because science is really teamwork.